I know what you're thinking, but it's not what you think. I promise you, kind of, half promise, because this shit is ridiculous. I tell you what, boys, story time. I was on my way into work one time this week, and it's dark out when I go to work, changing lanes, and there's something in the road as soon as I change lanes. The guy's pace was too slow or too quick to do one or the other. Like, I couldn't just get back over. If I would have merged, I would have merged into him. So I took it like a champ. Actually, not me. The full race traction bar took the initial blow. The initial blow knocked this thing about 180 degrees from its original position. You can see down there how it's supposed to look, nice and straight, you know what I'm saying, somewhat. And then you got this guy who's got his finger curled, pointing at me like, hey bro, what are you doing in there? And then you come down here and you really can't even see it. She's fucking dickered me. I'd like to be able to, the pavement's really hot, but yeah, we hit the pan good. I hope the oil pump's good, because otherwise I'm pretty hosed right now, honestly. It's hot as hell, and I gotta fix this. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty bummed. We just fixed this whole front end, and I hit whatever, hit down here, and this thing shattered, bro. Shattered from the vibrations. I have no idea, honestly. It's fucking done, it's toast. So gotta get another headlight set. Third set. You know what's more frustrating about this that I can't even complain about, because every set I bought, this little like cover in here that you can see that covers like the actual filament or whatever, that kind of, I guess, shades it, so it's not super blinding, always falls off with these headlights. So before I broke this headlight open with the vibrations of some kind of apocalyptic, now I don't know, just what is this, dude? This is the worst luck. You just run into some shit on the road, that's it. Totaled. Not really, it's RKO'd, but yeah, dude, this thing was always loose in here, and I wasn't gonna complain about it. I was just gonna say something about it, how like, man, the supplier really hasn't gotten it right yet, because the first time I did it, I said something, they said, oh well, I guess they just break like that, they like fall off and fucking rattle around in the light. So this one was doing that, it was rattling around in the light again. Obviously it's escaped when everything went kaput. So this one's still looking good. That means, on the positive side here, I'm gonna have 2 driver's side headlights after all said and done with this thing. And who knows how many more to come, shoot. Like, for real. But yeah, I didn't anticipate that much to leak out. I drove, so after when I hit it initially, I didn't know what the hell happened. It was kind of a commotion, and boom. And a lot of raining on the roof. Like, it was probably raining glass or something, because it was just like, hit it so hard that I thought that it shot, like, I thought it was a cinder block for whatever reason, because it just shot shit everywhere. But then after I hit it, I was like, no, that was a piece of metal or something. My coworkers were saying that on that road previous day, there was an accident with like a dump truck, and he thinks that there maybe was particle from that, and that could be very, very true, that it could, because that road has a lot of accidents, and it could have just been a piece of that truck that I hit in the middle of the road at 3 o'clock or so in the morning. So that's sick. Gotta fix that steel oil pan. Took the blow like better than I think an aluminum pan would, for sure, but at any rate, it's got to be remedied. So we've got the oil pan that I took off of this that was cracked from when I hit it before. Man, when did I cut myself? Yeah, I've been here the whole time. I touched the glass. I touched the glass. So glass is fighting back at me. Jeez. It's hot. It's too hot for this. Too hot for this. We're using the aluminum oil pan. We're going to get it done. Don't worry about it. Let's get to it. beast getting that off more than it should have been. But look, oh shit, I'm dumping oil in the street more than I already have. Cool. Look at that. Crinkled. Damn. Crumple zone. Wild. So I'll have to clean up that mess, obviously, but that thing was really hit. But also, sorry, I'm improvising and using my head strap here, boys. I'm trying to be efficient because I have not very much time. You can see the bend in that versus the straight daddy. This guy took a beating. Looks like it knocked it, not loose, but it knocked into it, so maybe knocked it out of its angle alignment. And it tore a chunk out way back here. Look at this. Jeez. What the fuck did I hit? And then obviously we got the resonator. We've had issues with it in the past. It hangs too low. It doesn't even sit on the hangers. It's too far back. We'll figure that out when we get the turbo on. For now, it's flattened. It doesn't leak, I don't think, from it, but who knows? I may not know. This thing wasn't leaking at first, and then it started, so I had to fix it, but shit. And then this thing obviously took the brunt of the damage, all the damage, and redirected. Fucking doof, 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 doof. Glad my tire didn't take any of it, because that would have sucked. That would have been money. I wonder if there's a hole in the exhaust back there, if I hit anywhere back there. Anyways, that's what we're working with. We're gonna start working towards getting the sealant on the new old pan, and get that put up there, and then put a filter on, oil, and actually I'll probably let it dry before I put oil in it, but let's go get this aluminum oil pan prepped. Know that you can see it from here. I'm cleaning this over here. I spotted this lizard a minute ago. I want to try to get a real close up with him before he ventures off into that bush over there. He probably likely will scurry in there, but we're gonna go for it as I sneak up on him. Already got it. We're going for the touch, see what he does, see if he leaps. Does he leap? Is he a fucking leaper? I'm fucking spooked. Ooh. He knows I'm fucking with him. Ooh. What's up, bitch? Run along now. Out of your yacht. Is he fast? Oh, he's fucking fast. Fuck this dude. I'm out. Alright. We got him. We don't know where that dude came from. He's momming up on us, but we'll say I'm drenched and it's like 9 o'clock. We got the oil pan in, boys. And she's looking like some good ooze out. Not too much, not too little, a little more than I'd like, but well, the thing went foobar at the end there and bursted out the back. So it's typical for those Honda bonds. I don't know why. I need to get the tube and then use the caulking gun. I'll just so profit, because realistically that seal is dog shit. So that's a lot of damage that I took, more than I thought on this thing. This like ruptured in the process, so we already know about all this, but I gotta order another headlight. I'm gonna get a bumper while I'm at it and a fender for this side to get it all black, and then I'll paint it in the future. But this sucks, dude. And then I gotta clean this mess. Spilled all this oil, so I gotta, you know, clean it up. But I'm gonna wait till later today to put oil in it. I want it to dry. I want the sealant to set, to cure at least for a few hours before I put oil in it and run it. So I'll probably start it tomorrow morning. Thankfully, because I work 4/10s, I get Fridays off normally. So since it's a holiday weekend, happy 4th of July, boys. Sweating for the 4th. It's not the 4th, it's the 5th. I have Monday off since I have Fridays off already in the schedule. So I got a Monday off out of this, a sweet holiday weekend. So tomorrow I'll put oil in it tonight, but tomorrow I'll start it. So there's oil pressure then, and it should be good. Should be no issues. The holes, the cracks from last time, Chris should have fixed. It looks a little jank, but it'll work. I know it will. All right, and here, let's say thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe for more of the moistest man, and apparently his pissed off yard lizard, TK Bajas from. I'll give him the outro, please. Do some noises. Do something. He's fucking. He's in it. So we're finished up for today.